Good evening, everyone. My name is Karine of DVS PH Academy. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell para maka-receive kayo ng mga updated free trainings. We normally upload 2 to 3 times a week, so marami ka talagang matututunan sa page na ito. At please support our Facebook group, Work from Home Professional Philippines. This is the link. Please join, and we hope to see you there. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna share my screen. Lesson 5, tips on how to get your Upwork account approved. Marami ako nakikitang posts sa Facebook na most of their problem is laging nade-deny or nade-decline ng kanilang Upwork account. And of course, as we all know, Upwork is the major freelancing site or virtual assistant site. Napakaraming offer nito. The good thing with Upwork is napakaraming opportunities, and most of the people think that this is a reliable source of work from home professional or freelancer. Okay, so dahil nga sa napakalaking platform nito, napakahigpit din nila in terms of approving profile to avoid scam or unnecessary thing na maaari ikapahamak ng kanilang mga client at mga freelancer. Okay, let's start. I have 7 steps that you can take to get your profile approved on your Upwork. So these are the 7 things that I've done. That's why I was able to get, an active Upwork account, and ginawa ko lang yung mga ito. And I'm gonna share to you some of the example and some of the things that you should not do. All right, so let's start. Una sa lahat, use a business email address when you sign up. I remember nung nasa time na nag-aano pa lang ako na login, I use my Gmail. When I get an error message na hindi nila inaalaw ang Gmail account. So they want us to use our work email. Pero paano po kung wala akong work email? Later, I'm gonna share to you on some way for you to get a work email. Okay, so going back to sa naranasan ko, since I still employed in DepEd, I have my business email or my work email. So that's the one that I use. And good thing is na-approve yung account ko using that. Actually, until now, kahit wala na ako sa DepEd, active pa rin yung working email ko. So, yeah, masaya naman. Pero there are ways naman na para makakuha kayo ng work email or business email. Okay, I'm gonna share to you on how to do it. So, medyo magkakos lang ng counting amount per month, pero malaki itong pakinabang sa inyo at sa buhay nyo. So, if you are good in, website developer, or someone na kaya mag-develop ng website, you may ask their help. Or you may also create a business email with Bluehost. So, ang Bluehost plan, if you're going to see here, $7.99 per month for the basic one. You don't need this one kasi for the sake lang na magkaroon kayo ng hosting, and it has free domain. It has free domain, and you can just create domain na kunyari business mo is vafreelancing.com. So, para kapag nag-create ka ng email, you can use the domain. Or you already have your own business na hindi related sa freelancing, you can use that too. Okay, so after you choose the plan, you will choose the free domain. By the way, I'm gonna share the link later sa ating video or sa comment or description nito para may guide kayo. Then after that, you will create your free business email address. Just log in on Bluehost, then create your own, and that's it. you can create your email account at Bluehost. Okay. So the other one is HostGator plan. It's also a hosting plan with free domain. And then you can just use that for actually normally ang hosting is yearly talaga ito. Pero kasi kinuha ko dati SiteGround. So in my agency, we have our own email address pero hindi ko siya ginagamit masyado. So yun. Then same thing, you just choose your free domain. Then you can create your free business email address. Then after that, you already have a business email address. You can start creating your Upwork account. So paano yun, Miss? Talagang wala akong perang panggawa nito. Saan po ako maghahanap? Maghanap ka ng partner or kakilala mo ng freelancer, mag-join kayo, join force, and share kayo dun sa expenses. At ito yung mga nasa BPO industry, kasi galing din naman akong BPO, teletech.com, yung aking domain if you're still active on your current employer, you can use your work email address sa pag-sign up sa Upwork. All right? So, why we need to have a work email address? Because ang gusto ni Upwork, we should be a professional freelancer. So we have to take time to set a business email account para makita ni Upwork na serious ka talaga and you are legit. So, paano po kaya yun? Hindi naman ako professional pa, starting up. Iba kasi yung fake it until you make it, and faith. So doon tayo sa salitang faith. Kung nananampalataya ka, naniniwala ka na you are professional freelancer, na hindi ka pa naman talaga sa stadong yun. Pag yun ang paniniwala mo, yung mangyayari. Okay? So, going back here, so we're done with the first one. The second one, once you already sign up, na-follow mo na lahat yun, isa pa palang tip na nabasa ko, as much as possible, don't put location. Kasi sabi ang nabasa kong article, kapag Philippines daw nilagay mong location, there are chances na ma-decline. Pero I don't know if that's true kasi I remember I put my location. Hindi naman na decline yung account ko. So you already have the email address, na-follow mo lahat ng prompt doon. The second one is pick as many subcategory as possible. So ito yung sa mga part pa lang to ng initial. Pwede mo itong dagdagan kapag natapos mo na yung step na yon. Pero during the time, dun sa initial part pa lang, you have to add at least 10 subcategories na alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo siyang gawin kahit hindi mo pa siya na-execute. Na alam mo sa sarili mo na kapag inaral mo to, magagawa mo. Alright? So for example, if you choose category sales and marketing, you're going to choose subcategories like email and marketing automation, market and customer research, SEO, and other sales marketing. Then you have another category which is writing. You're going to choose article and blog writing. Anything that is related to writing na alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo. I remember when I sign up, I choose customer service. And then anything that is related to customer service, nilagay ko doon. And then, ayun. Bukod doon, I also include social media and general BA as my category. And I put, I think, 10 or almost 10 subcategories. And if I know sa sarili ko that time, kaya ko siyang gawin, though hindi ko pa siya na-execute. And I was able to get a chance to get, active Upwork account. Right? So a variety of subcategories shows Upwork that you are qualified to apply for a lot of different jobs. Bakit kailangan mo ng mga subcategory? Kasi the more you have subcategory, the more chances na makakakuha ka ng work, mapapansin ni client yung account. So, na-remember ko, nung in-update ko yung Upwork ko, nilagyan ko pa siya ng mas maraming skill, mas maraming dumagsang for interview, invitation for interview, hindi ko na kayang i-accommodate lahat. So, yun. And then, it shows them that you are more diverse, you're flexible, and you will be good match for the variety of clients if you have a lot of subcategories. All right? So, next, list all your relevant skills. So, connected doon kanina sa tab number 2, you will also write all relevant skills na alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong gawin at mapaninindigan mo. Again, I don't recommend you to fake it until you make it, but I'm on the part of having you faith sa sarili mo. Naniniwala ka sa sarili mo na kaya mo yun. Okay, so as you can see here, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 skills. So si Upwork mas maniniwala sa'yo kapag naglagay ka ng mas maraming skills. Kasi kung nilagay mo lang kung ikaw si Upwork, maniniwala ka ba na reliable si freelancer if you only have 3 skills? Okay, so why it's important? I encourage you not to overthink the skill section kasi napaka-importante nito. Upwork will prompt you with possible skills, so just pick 10. So 10 that you feel are good fit and move on. So like what I mentioned, you feel that you're good fit, hindi you fake it until you make it. All right? So again, yung tingin mo that you're good fit. All right, next. Fill out your overview section. So, napansin niyo dito, di ba? Ito yung kanyang description, and these are the things that he can do. Kung nakita mo, nag-describe siya, sandali, and then he put all the tasks that he can do. Sa akin, personally, you don't need to have a very long overview. That's why it's overview. Right? Pag sinabing overview, you don't need to tell all your work experience. You just need to emphasize your skills, your knowledge, and the things that you can bring to the client. You don't need to say that you're graduate, you're a license, you're so whatever. Kung napansin mo lang, ito yung kayang i-bring out sa client. These are the summary of his experiences. Okay. Though he put his work experience, that's fine. Pero kung marami kang work experience, I don't recommend you to put kasi napakahaba na. Kasi ako sa Upwork ko, kung i-browse nyo, kung nakita nyo yung last video ko, napakasimple lang, pero I was able to get offers, an interview, right? So, it's also the first thing clients will see and yung makikita niya sa account nyo when they come to your page. So, it needs to be good. So, my advice is not to skimp on this section. Napaka-importante yun. And you make sure that it has at least a couple of paragraphs and have some bullet din para mas madaling basahin. Huwag yun ang isulat yung favorite pet nyo, yung favorite colors nyo, saan kayo nag-aral. Kasi nandun na yun sa ibang part ng Upwork profile nyo. Alright? So, come up with a specific title. So, halimbawa, siya personal finance writer or blogger. So, sa akin ilagay ko customer service, general VA, and social media manager. So, yun yung aking ilagay sa Upwork. Then, see yung profile niya is nakaharap, hindi nakatabingi or naka-side view. Alright? So, bakit kailangan to? For instance, my headline is personal finance writer or blogger, but if you don't have a clear niche, o wala kang di mo alam kung ano bang gusto mo sa buhay, just write freelance blogger for small businesses or social media manager, cold calling specialist, customer service. So, napaka-general if you don't have specific niche. Right? So, next, number 6. Add your employment and education history. So don't skip this part kasi kailangan din ni Upwork to make sure that you are professional or you are professional enough to offer your service to your client. So, wag nyo nang ilagay yung elementary nyo kung valedictorian ba kayo salutatorian. Hindi na kailangan ni Upwork doon. Just put kung saan nag-college, kung di ka man nakapag-college, high school or vocational course mo. So yun, yung mga short courses, that's considered as your education and history. Employment, you put na kung nagtrabaho ka ba sa call center. If you have the experience, put it there. If you don't have, kung ano yung pinaka-recent one mo na maaaring related doon sa service na may offer mo sa client mo. So like what I did sa Upwork, I don't put my teaching experiences. Nilagay ko doon yung BPO work experience ko. Then doon na lang sa other experiences ko nilagay yung teaching ko, which is I can offer it sa Upwork. Okay? So, yeah, don't skip this section. It will be worse if you don't include anything. Give your best shot. So, syempre kapag alam ng Upwork na you are nag-aral ka naman kahit papano, hindi man tapos or they know that you're professional enough to provide the best service to their client. And number 7, ito, naalala ko to, yung nag-create nga kami ng Upwork account nung assistant. Pinili niya entry level. And unfortunately, na-decline yung account niya. So, when I did that, I remember I chose intermediate. Pero kasi, but kahit intermediate yung pinili ko, na-comply ko kasi yung 1 hanggang 6. Dito lang ako medyo, that time kasi hindi pa ako gano'n confident. But if you are confident enough, just choose expert kasi gusto ni Upwork na you're professional, that you're expert, that you are really good in your field. So don't overstate your ability, but don't understate them either. All right? So these are the 7 tips that you need to remember when you create an Upwork account. So just balikan natin. First one is you have to use your business email address when you sign up. As much as possible, don't use your Gmail because there are big chances na ma-decline yung account nyo. The second one is choose as many a subcategory as possible para alam ni Upwork na you are capable enough to provide services to their client. The third one, list all your relevant skills that you think that you're a good fit. Hindi yung fake lang, di ba? Yung alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo siyang gawin. Alright. So next, the fourth one, fill out your overview section. Again, don't skip that part kasi yan yung binabasa ng mga client natin. And fifth one, come up with a specific title. If you don't have niche, just put freelancer, general VA, or whatsoever. Okay? And next, sixth one, add your employment and education history kasi kapag hindi nyo ni-add to, there are chances na ma-decline yung account nyo. And the seventh one is choose professional rate para alam ng Upwork na you are serious and you are, good enough to provide service to their client. So that's it for tonight. If you don't have, if you have a question, rather, please comment below. Ako yung mag-respond sa inyo. Please subscribe to our channel, Divas PH Academy. Subscribe, notification bell, join to our group, Work Professional Philippines. Work from Home Professional Philippines. All right. Good night. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.